morning to all. Today you are going to learn about the detailed specification of a single room building. So in that estimation itself, we want to know how to calculate the quantity of a single room building. For that we are taking a single room measurement as, so for example, this is 5-meter wall and this is 4-meter wall. So first of all, we want to know what is meant by long wall and what is meant by short wall. See, the length is, which length is bigger? See, this length is bigger, so this is the long wall and this is the short wall. So first, for the detailed specification itself, we have two methods to calculate. One is the center line method, another one is the long and short wall method. So today we are going to learn about the center line method. So center line method is a very simple method to know how to calculate the quantity of each work. So first of all, we want to know how to calculate the quantity. So always your wall thickness will be 0.3 meter. So your wall thickness will be 0.3 meter. So first of all, you have to calculate the total length of the wall. So how to calculate the total length of the wall? So you have long wall, you have two long walls, and short walls also you have two short walls. So first of all, you have to put 2, and then see that you have a long wall is 5 meter and the wall thickness is 0.3. So from that itself you have to take the half of the wall thickness, that will be 0.15 meter. So always you should take half of center to center distance of the wall while calculating the quantity. So that is 5 plus 0.5 this side, 0.15 this side. So the total length will be, your total length will be 5.3 plus the same way the short walls you have 4 meter, your wall thickness is 0.3. So taking the center to center distance of 0.15 here, again 0.15 here, your total wall thickness of the short wall will be your 4.3. So approximately while calculating you will get 19.2 meter as your length. So this is the simple procedure to calculate the total wall length. So next is, this is the procedure to calculate the quantity of each items. The measurement will be given in the plan itself. So all the measurement will be given in the plan. The same way you want to know how to calculate the quantity. So first is, for example, you will take earthwork. First was is the earthwork. So this is the items of work. The next one is the cement concrete. How much amount of cement concrete you are going to use is the second one. And the third is the brickwork. So the quantity of the brickwork we have to calculate. The next, and the last one is the brickwork in superstructure. So you have to calculate both the things. Brickwork in foundation you have to calculate first. Next, brickwork in superstructure you want to calculate the next. So for calculating this, there are two: length, breadth, depth, and the quantity. See, this is the procedure to calculate the stagger column. So how do you calculate the quantity? Length into breadth into depth. So all will be in the meter. Your quantity will be in the meter cube. So this is the procedure to calculate your each work item should be calculated from this tabular column only. For that, this is the plan they will given. Next, so you know how much your length, you know how much the length you are in. Next is section. So the next will be you have to take in a section of your wall. So first we know how you calculate the total length of the wall. From the plan you calculated the total length. Now you want to calculate the cross section of the wall. So how the cross section of the wall will be like this. The foundation, first footing, second footing, length, plinth level, then the superstructure of your wall. So like this. So still the ground level is called as an